I don't like to film when they're in because I'm like, they're going to hear me talking to myself. So I often try and film when they're out, but obviously I don't know what they're doing for the day, so I don't know what time they're going to get back. Good morning everybody. Today is the 14th of July and today is LSY Live. It's come around pretty quick. I'm off to Camden in a minute and that's what today's vlog is. Later I'm off to see Coral because we're going to a festival, which is why I'm kind of dressed a bit more festival-y than YouTube convention style. So please forgive my attire, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. It will be two separate vlogs for LSY and going to see Coral, so this is the first one. Check out my next week's one or whenever that's going up, I don't know. This is literally my bed hair, so I hope I can make this work, guys. But yeah, let's head off because my bus is literally around the corner. I'm Becca, or Becca as I am on YouTube, and I guess I'm here because I do filmmaking on top of YouTube videos, and I've just graduated from university, so I was doing a lot of them at once. And I make videos and about anything, wherever I feel like at the time, and I do like weekly uploads usually. Okay, so let's go back down the line, I guess, and talk about on a typical week how you would structure making videos. Just broadly.
So it took me a long time to get to where I am now, but I think I figured out that for me, because I do 9 to 5 Monday to Friday or 9 to 6 or sometimes also 9 to 7, filming sitting down videos during the week doesn't really work for me. It's because I like to use natural light. We all know how it goes, and I'm really tired and my face is really shiny after work, and that's all not going to work. So I now film every Sunday. I tend to film 2 videos, sometimes 3 on Sundays.
For me, it's kind of more like whenever I have the time. I'm a freelancer, and it's kind of whenever I'm not working, I'll sit and bulk film like Santa does, which is always like a really helpful thing to do. And then yeah, also vlogging is so much, I find it so much easier than setting up my camera, dealing with the lighting, sorting out all that, because with vlogging, obviously you just pick up a small camera and walk around London, for example, and just film whatever you want to film, and I prefer vlogging a lot more than sit down videos anyway. Yeah, I don't necessarily have a specific day that I film, it's just whenever I'm not working.
So the advantages are, for a girl anyway, for me, I obviously like to look nice, so especially sitting down ones, so I get ready and I look nice in all of them. I just change my clothes, sometimes I do a ponytail or I wear a different pair of earrings, but they're all filmed on the same day.
I don't really plan.
Just sit down and go.
Well, like usually it will be because of something that has happened to me at some point. So if I'm doing a story time, obviously that's something that's happened to me, and then I'll film that. Sometimes I do a lot of university videos. Our university's quite small, we all go to the same one. So that's quite a niche market that I found that they seem to do quite well because people clearly want to know about our university. But with those, I kind of plan out a lot more because it's more structured. But yeah, I just kind of sit and talk whenever I'm filming, to be honest.
Well, I've noticed, particularly with you, because you kind of say, I've got all of these vlogs coming up in the summer that you're planning to film, so there must be so much better being like thinking ahead and deciding what video to film.
Well, with like vlogging, it's usually because I'm like at an event, like I've got a new film back there, but
that's efficiency, everyone.
Thanks. But yeah, I think it's if I know that I've already planned something, or like an event or something, I'm gonna have my camera on me, and like I said, I love vlogging anyway, so it's a lot more easier. It's a lot more easier to plan vlogging if I'm already at an event or doing something cool. Well, for me, like you said about getting ready in terms of doing hair and makeup, that's probably like the longest bit. Like I said, I do filmmaking anyway, so for me, in terms of setting up the camera, working out if it looks good, like that doesn't take really long because I'm used to doing that anyway. where I do film and live, I have like a massive window, so I don't really need, I haven't purchased lights because the light coming in from that window is really helpful. And obviously that saves a lot of time, so then I don't have to set up lights anyway. So I don't, it literally only takes me maybe about 10 minutes to set up camera and lighting, and probably like 45 minutes to make myself look alright and ready the camera.
Look at that light, no?
I'm not too fussed, to be honest.
That's the thing. Whenever we talk about YouTube, you're like,
Yeah.
okay, YouTube. And then I look at everyone I know on YouTube, I'm like, Becca is the only one that's uploading regularly.
Yeah,
I'm
well,
like,
I think that's just because I'm used to it. Like, I feel like people are going to want to know how to be organised, but that's not me. Like, I'm just an organised person. Like, we work together. In filmmaking, I am a producer, so I have to be organised anyway, and I kind of accidentally fell into that role because I'm so good at organising. So for me, it's not like a chore to sit down and film and upload and edit. It's just in my nature to do that. So you are always like, how do you do it like all the time? But it's just who I am, really. I love editing. It's probably the main reason I actually make YouTube videos, to edit, which is quite funny because, like I said, I do filmmaking. When I actually make a film, I don't like to edit films. I just like to edit my YouTube videos. But I kind of use editing as like an escape, and it's like my downtime, which sounds really weird because obviously you're still working. But for me, editing is such like an easy and nice thing to do. I find it quite relaxing, to be honest. So I don't know how long it would really take me. I guess it depends how long the video is. And like kind of going on from that, if you're using a software that you're used to, or like if you're starting out with something new, obviously you're going to be a bit slower, but as time goes on and you're used to using that editing software, obviously you're going to find out the shortcuts and cut down time.
how do you tackle out of the blue hurdles that interfere with your plans to film?
So I live in my uni house. There's like three of us living there, and I don't like to film when they're in because I'm like, they're going to hear me talking to myself. So I often try and film when they're out, but obviously I don't know what they're doing for the day, so I don't know what time they're going to get back. And literally this morning when I started off my vlog, I could hear everyone talking, and I was like, I don't want to be like, good morning guys, like I'm doing this today, when they can like hear me from the kitchen. So I kind of waited till they were gone, which nearly made me late today. I'm still mixed, so it's good. But yeah, I kind of get embarrassed if people can like hear me. But that's only like the kind of edits that I have really.
I think this is the last one we have time for. How do you not overfilm, i.e. film too much and have too much to edit or too much to sort through? Good question.
Like the only time I've had trouble with that, and it wasn't with like having too much to edit or anything, I filmed a video, I think it was like this time last year, and I was talking about something that was like coming up that I was doing, but because I didn't really like it, I kind of saved it for like a different time when I didn't really have anything else to upload. But by that time, what I was saying wasn't really relevant, so it was just like, oh well, you've got a video, but it's not really relevant because the stuff that I'm talking about I've already done. So like, I haven't had a problem where I've had too much to edit or anything, but it's the relevance of the video sometimes being a bit great.
Perfect, and that is about the amount of time we have, so thank you very much, my panelists.
For example, when I first got a job, the CEO of that job basically held up my my phone, run as my Instagram, and said, listen, Joe is here applying for a job. Instead of asking for references from previous employers, I'm asking you, his followers, because you are with him every single day. So if you want Joe to get the job, I literally need you to click over here on my tag @Genie and message me and also follow me. You need to write him a reference. If you don't vouch for him, he's literally not doing a job. I wish my was like
They said there's Hero Hub and Help type content. Hero is like the viral videos, the stuff that's going to hit the press, maybe get shared around. help content is more sort of things like how-tos and anything that's going to show up in the search algorithm. So I don't know if you go away and you're like 5 great things to see in America or something like that. And hub content is your normal content that you do that like Amber said, you do regularly.
So I thought I'd come for a quick update chat. My panel went well. Someone was just there watching me look awkward. My panel went well. Look at this background, so cute. Yeah, it went really well. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Amy vlogged some stuff for me, which was very nice of her. And I've sat through some things, and everyone was talking about really interesting stuff, so it's very helpful. I'm gonna go toilet and get back to it now.
So for me, I have always done theatre. It's what I did it since I was like 4 years old. So that was kind of always my lead.
All of your different work. I think we are getting a generation of people who are kind of like you. This is terrifying. Who are, you can, to an extent, do everything yourself. You can learn how to film, how to edit, how to present, and how to, you can be a whole package. That is almost the beauty of YouTube.
What are you passionate about? And I studied fashion design, so she was like, you're even studying fashion, why don't you show people how to make clothes? And it really clicked with me because prior to when I came to study, there were not a lot of videos detailed showing you how to make a garment, and that was really how it started. So at the beginning I just like experimented a bit until I got my formula on how to actually really make the videos work, and it just took off from there, honestly.
That is my time at LSY Live done. I had a really good time. It was really cool, and there should be some collaborations coming out, which is pretty cool. Some people were talking to me about making collabs, which is kind of cool. I am now off to King's Cross to catch a train to go and see Coral. I'm so excited. It's been a really good day. I hope the rest of the day goes well. So it's actually a few days after LSY. Yes, I've had my hair cut. There is a video coming about that in a few weeks' time. But I just wanted to say, the video seemed a bit kind of jumpy whilst I was editing it over there, but I wanted to say a huge well done to the people who made LSY happen. It was amazing. I had so much fun, and it was so cool to meet so many other small YouTubers and get to know people, and everyone was so nice. And it's going to be an annual thing, fingers crossed. So if you couldn't make it this year, hopefully turn up to next year's one. Don't know if I'll be invited back next year to speak on a panel. It would be nice too, but I don't know if it went that well. But yeah, well done to everyone. Will and Elena, you did an amazing job. Well done to you. I myself learned quite a bit of new things. Like, although I was there to supposedly help others, I learned a lot myself, and it was really cool. So yeah. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will see you, well, technically I'll see you in a minute, but I'll see you in next week's video for the vlog that is going to start probably in like an hour. So I'll see you later.